Hello, my little bluebirds. How are you? I hope you're fine. So let's move on with the English alphabet and let's refresh a vowel. The vowel O. La lettera O, la vocale. Here we have the capital O and the small O. It's simple because it's practically the same. Here, O, the capital one and the small one. I will send you all the activity by email with Arianna and on the Seesaw app. Mwah.